Hi everyone, welcome to Patty's Polish Corner. Today I've got this really cool collection from Bases Loaded Lacquer. This was formerly Brave Steva Polish, so if you've been watching me for a while, you know I always use their black and white for their stamping polishes. Well, I do have other polishes of theirs too, but she changed the name. It's now Bases Loaded Lacquer. And this is the Netflix and Kill collection. It is 7 polishes, and they will be debuting on the Black Pumpkin sale, which is October 29th at 9 p.m. The whole website, I believe, will be discounted, and there will be some gift with purchases. So I do suggest you go to the Facebook group, Bases Loaded Lacquer Bleacher Creatures, and join up to see more pictures of these polishes and other polishes and a lot of other fun. So I highly recommend that group. I'll put the link in the description box so you'll be able to find it easily. This is Scalpel. I cannot believe how much it's like twinkling. I think it's so pretty. Here is the first coat of Scalpel. I'm just so amazed at the sparkle in this polish, which I think maybe you can tell a little bit on camera. If you like the color, you're going to love this polish because it sparkles so much. Here is the second coat. And I think this is pretty much fully opaque in 2 coats. Might need 3 depending on your application, or if your nails are really long, whatever. But for my nails, it's pretty good in 2 coats. I'm not seeing any visible nail line there. I'm also going to show you another way of applying a second coat, or even a third coat. In this case, it's a third coat, which I don't need. And that's by sponging it on. It gives this polish a really cool effect. And it just kind of makes it look like a foil. So I really like that. Hope you guys are picking up the spark. If you're seeing any kind of sparkly stuff, it is like 100 times more. So this is a really good polish. If you like silver, you're looking for a silver polish, this is a good one. So this is Scalpel on all of my fingers. I did sponge it on all of my fingers for this clip, and let me see if we can get it there. You can see a little bit of sparkling around the edges if I move my fingers like this, so it sparkles a whole ton more in person. Absolutely beautiful silver. This is No Alibi. No Alibi is a multi-chrome jelly that shifts gray, red, purple, gold, green with red and purple sparks and gold hollow micro glitters. This is a bit sheer, but I'm going, actually it's a lot of sheer, but I am going to show you it in 3 coats. And here is the 3rd coat. Here is the finished mani. It's got a really nice, I don't know, I think it's kind of like a pinkish to gold shift, and it is very sparkly. Because this one is sheer, you can layer it over other colors. So here it is over black. So you get quite a bit of purple, a little bit of gold, and a lot of sparkle. And this is over Throw Like a Girl. So it really brings out the pink, but it does have the little gold sparkles in it. This is Luminol. Luminol is a black tinted base loaded with purple shimmer, silver hollow, microflakies, and gold, green, red, copper shifting UCC multi-chrome flakies. And here is the first coat. And this is the second coat. So depending on your application, etc., you know, you can get away with 2 or 3 coats to make this one opaque. So here is the finished mani. I don't know, I think it kind of almost looks like a multi-chrome, but this is like the perfect galaxy polish. This one is DNA. DNA is a green, blue, purple multi-chrome with a light blue shimmery microflakies, rainbow shifting micro sheds, and iridescent unicorn flakies. Okay, here's one coat. Is the second coat. And this is the third coat. This one is a bit sheer. And you can sponge this one on, and it makes it a bit thicker, so you can always sponge on your second coat and then go over it with a third coat, and it does make it quite a bit more opaque. Here is the finished mani, and that is with sponged and then the third coat brushed on. Since this is sheer, you can layer this over other colors as well. Here it is over a dark blue, and that looks kind of awesome too. I actually purchased, it's coming, Chicks Dig the Long Ball to layer this over. This is Soul Beneficiary. So Beneficiary is a black Crowley loaded with green sparks with flashes of red microflakies and gold, green, copper, red shifting UCC multi-chrome flakies. And this is the second coat. And depending on your application, it will be opaque in 2 to 3 coats. And this is the full manicure. And I just love this color. This one is Murder Momma. Murder Momma is a deep red jelly with copper sparks, gold hollow micro glitters, and jade purple shifting UCC multi-chrome flakies. Here's the second coat. This one can be opaque in 2 to 3 coats. Okay, this one sparkles a lot. It's just got so much depth and sparkle to it. That's really fun polish. Great. I think it's a great fall color. This is AB negative, as in blood type. Okay, so let's check this one out. Now this one can almost be opaque in 1 coat. I am going to add a second. So this is the full mani of AB negative. This color is so awesome. I think it screams Christian Louboutin. This would be amazing paired up with black to make some kind of Christian Louboutin inspired nail art. The lighting seems to be really good at this angle, so I'm going to give you a couple more close-up of the bottle pictures. So this is Scalpel. There's some of that little twinkle in there. This one is No Alibi. This one is DNA. This one is Luminol. This one is Soul Beneficiary. This one is Murder Momma. And this one is AB negative. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. These polishes are really fun. I do have a couple of favorites, like very favorites of this group. And I'm super excited. This one, which is Soul Beneficiary, I am completely loving this. This is going to be an awesome Halloween polish. This is an awesome fall polish, and it's even really cool if you know, like maybe New Year's Eve polish. So I really love this one. And then I think my second very favorite is Murder Momma, and this one just has so much sparkle and hollow. It's really awesome. So I really love this one too also, but they're all really great polishes. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, consider subscribing, and thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.